Welcome back. First day of 2015. Now, let's recap how 2014 December ended up. And again, it was quite a remarkable month, especially considering what we came off of the record-setting November that we had with over 31 inches of snow. And this month, we ended up with a whopping 1 inch of snow, and that places us number 3 spot for the least amount of snow back in 2000. Look at this. Back in 2000, we almost had 60 inches of snow. So you can get just about anything in the month of December in terms of snowfall. We have turned the pattern. The snow has arrived. Winter has arrived once again as we turn the corner to 2015. Not so much this morning. Pretty quiet out there, as you might imagine. The roadway's just fine out there. Notice a little shake to the camera, indicating that wind is still rather strong. Latest on Storm Track Live radar shows a few flurries here and there, especially if you're traveling east on 96. Up around the Ionia area, Saranac, you start running into a few flurries, also around Hastings, Middleville. That is essentially it. Fairly quiet out there, but there is a little area of snow off to our north and west with a cold front that's going to drop down today. It'll be fairly light. 23 degrees currently in Grand Rapids with a west-southwest wind. Notice how the lake is actually modifying these temperatures, actually warming them up. As you get around I-94 Kalamazoo southward, it's only in the teens, so they're not getting the benefit of that warm air crossing Lake Michigan. Wind chill temperature is still cold, though. 8 in Grand Rapids, only 1 along the Michigan-Indiana state line, so it's pretty chilly out there once again this morning. And look at that wind, 24 out of the west-southwest in Holland, 21 in Grand Rapids, and it'll be with us all day long. I wanted to show you, this is kind of the contour, the wind, general wind. It finally starts to die down once we head into the evening hours. Here's a future cast, and here's that area of snow that kind of expands this afternoon. It will die down later on tonight. We could have a flurry or two tomorrow morning, but for the most part, tomorrow looks like a wonderful day, not as windy, a fair amount of sunshine with temperatures right around seasonal average at 30 degrees. Now, as we head into the weekend, watch this. We're talking about a phasing of a storm right over the Great Lakes, and again, the track makes all the difference with these storms, and right now the latest forecast models are bringing the storm track a little bit further west, which means we'll get into a little more warm air. That's why you see some of the pinks showing up out there. So it's going to start out as a mix, a little bit of sleet, could even be some freezing rain out there as we try to get that Arctic air out of place, and then it's going to transition to all snow come Sunday with falling temperatures and windy conditions developing. And basically that wind is going to be right out of the north, northwest, and look what it drags down, Mark. That is the coldest air that we've had so far this winter. High of 16 on Monday. We may get 20 on Tuesday, but pretty much from Monday to Thursday, we're looking at temperatures for the most part peaking in the teens.
Yeah, I can feel it coming yesterday when I was out there doing those live shots from Calder Plaza, previewing the New Year's Eve celebrations. It was cold out there.
Did it mess up your hair?
It didn't mess up my hair. You know, I always keep the hat on.
That's right. That's right. Good idea yesterday. Yeah, we had some gusts over 40, so yeah.
And